Excellencies from the United Arab Emirates, Libya, Oman, and Timor-Leste.
Hello, I'm Ziinine Britshi. I'm the organizer of Couture Fashion Week Malaysia, and we are so excited today to have all these wonderful guests coming from all over the world, United States, Japan, Malaysia, and among them is Dr. Mike, Dato. And today, Dr. Mike will have a great award from us as the one of the best contributor to fashion show. Dr. Mike is a great guy. He's really doing great in the wellness industry, a problem solver.
皆さん、今日は来てくれてありがとう。楽しんでくださいね。
Good to see you. Good to see you.
Look at that. Look how many books you wrote.
60.
Wow.
Mr. World. Okay.
Also, MC today.
Hi, I'm Joshua Benedict, your Mr. World Malaysia. I'm so honored today to actually get to meet Professor Mike.
Same here.
He's one of the pioneers of stem cell in Malaysia. So it's good to meet you, the Professor.
Wonderful. Good to meet you too, you know. Hi everyone. How are you? Yeah, Dr. Mike, nice meeting you. How are you? Good to see you. Yeah. This is my buddy. How are you? Good. How are you? Dr. Mike, nice meeting you. Assalamualaikum. Nice meeting you.
Culture Malaysia, Tourism Malaysia, and Mara, whose dedication strengthens Malaysia's position on the global stage as a center.
My name is Ruth. I'm from Switzerland and I'm here in Malaysia. And I heard today first time of Professor Mike and how he helped so many people. And I suffered from so many operations and accidents, and I'm very hopeful for his message that we are in future can collaborate with him in Penang.
Third Secretary and Embassy of the Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste in Kuala Lumpur.
Thank you. You like what you hear?
Very good.
Proudly of Selangor.